Hey guys, today I'm making dinner. I'm making baked salmon with some veggies. I'm showing you guys how I make it from scratch, from start to finish. Be sure to like the video for me if it was helpful. Also subscribe and let's get started. First thing first, we're going to pat dry the salmon with a napkin to remove any moisture because I did rinse my salmon with a little bit of vinegar and rinse it with cold water, so there's some moisture on there. Just use a napkin to pat it dry. Next, I am going to grab my olive oil to sprinkle a little bit of that on top of each salmon fillet, just so my seasoning can stick onto the fish fillet. Then we're going to rub our hand on top of that. Make sure it's nicely spread out. Don't forget the back side as well, so you need both sides to be nice and oily. Next, we're going to start seasoning the fish fillet. Now the measurement will be down below, so check it out. First thing I'll be doing is add some salt and pepper. Next, I'm taking my onion powder, just sprinkle it all over the fish fillet. I'll say about a teaspoon. Now we're grabbing the garlic powder, just sprinkle it all over the fish fillet. Now for some zestiness, I am going to add a little bit of lemon pepper in there as well, just to give it a little kick, okay? And then we're going to take our paprika, just sprinkle it all over. The paprika will give it a nice color once it is done, so you cannot miss the paprika, okay? It'll come out so pretty and so beautiful, so you need the paprika. Now I'm adding a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. I like to add Old Bay seasoning on all of my seafood. I think it gives it a nice taste. So just a little bit of Old Bay goes a long way. You know how strong Old Bay can be. Once you're done, don't forget to do the other side as well. So I'm going to flip it over and just repeat the same step. And don't forget the sides as well. I know a lot of you guys make that mistake and not season the side of the salmon fillet. Now here in this skillet, well, it's a grill, I am going to add a little bit of butter. Once that is nice and hot, we're going to place our salmon fillet on there. If you are cooking skin on salmon, make sure you place it skin down because you want the skin to have a nice crispiness to it. I do have recipes with skin on salmon, which They come out so good with the skin. I love, love, love crispy skin salmon. I will leave that video down below for y'all, but today I'm using just skinless. Y'all can see how good it looks so far. And I did sprinkle a little bit of fresh thyme on there as well. Once one side is nice and cooked, I am going to flip it over and cook the other side. Now you see how golden brown one side is. Now I'm going to take a little bit of butter, just add that in there so we can have a nice buttery flavor salmon, okay? And it looks so good. Oh my goodness, look how good it looks, guys. You can eat this basically with anything, with a side of salad, vegetables, mashed potatoes, side of rice, whatever that you like, guys. I made this for dinner, and let me tell you, we love salmon up in here. I try to make it at least twice every 2 weeks. Once we're done, this is what we have, nice and golden brown with lots of flavor, lots of color, and flaky salmon fillet. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like it for me. Let's get it to 500. I mean, we can do it, right? 500 likes. Also subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.